Hello everybody and welcome. Today we're going to talk about French pronouns I and on. Let's see some examples first. Tu vas à Lyon? Are you going to Lyon? Oui, j'y vais demain. Yes, I'm going there tomorrow. Here, I replaces the phrase à Lyon. Another example. Tu rêves de voler? Do you dream about flying? Oui, j'en rêve souvent. Yes, I often dream about it. Here, on replaces the phrase de voler. We can see that generally they have same function. They replace a noun or phrase that was mentioned earlier. But firstly, we can think of them as differing in direction. I usually points towards something, while on points away from something. In fact, to oversimplify it, they can be traced back to the Latin words ibi for I, which means there, in that place, and also then when talking about time, and inde for on, which means from there, from that place, and also since when talking about time. I usually replaces an object, could be things, places, ideas, which is introduced by prepositions that indicate direction, like à, dans, sur, whereas en replaces an object introduced by preposition de, could be things, ideas, or quantities. To be held in mind, both I and on can only replace non-person object, which is only something and not someone or person. For person, we have other pronouns such as le, la, lui, and leur. Let's practice some examples for the pronouns I. Elle habite à Bordeaux becomes elle y habite. Je pense à ma fille triste becomes j'y pense. Il travaille dans son phare becomes il y travaille. Il s'intéresse à la linguistique becomes il s'y intéresse. Il s'habitue à cette situation becomes il s'y habitue. Nous croyons à cette théorie becomes nous y croyons. And for the pronouns on. Je rêve de liberté becomes j'en rêve. Je me souviens de choses tristes becomes je m'en souviens. Ils profitent de ma faiblesse becomes ils en profitent. Tu doutes de sa sincérité becomes tu en doutes. J'ai 100 pommes becomes j'en ai 100. Notice that here on replaces the noun, but the number or quantity remains. Elle possède 3 chats becomes elle en possède 3. Let's try if you can guess which pronoun is correct. Il vit dans son phare. What will it become? Il y vit. Elle parle de 20 ans. Become elle en parle. Il se souvient de ce cauchemar. Becomes il s'en souvient. Tu doutes de la magie becomes tu en doutes. Il étudie dans son château becomes il y étudie. Je nage dans ce lac becomes J'y nage. Elle monte sur le toit. Becomes. Elle y monte. Vous discutez de ce mystère. Becomes. Vous en discutez. Je parle de mon chien. Becomes. J'en parle. Nous restons dans le désert. Becomes. Nous y restons. Elle a besoin de vacances. Becomes. Elle en a besoin. Okay, everybody, I think that's enough for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.